Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8 maths on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you chapter 14 example sums on textbook page number 89 and 90. Find the compound interest if rupees 4000 are invested for 3 years at the rate of 12.5 PCPA. In question what was given, first you have to write that principal is equal to rupees 4000, rate of interest is equal to 12.5%, number of years is 3 years. You have to find amount and compound interest. First you have to use the formula of amount of compound interest. The formula of amount of compound interest is principal in bracket 1 plus rate of interest upon 100 raised to number of years. That is equal to principal in bracket 1 plus rate of interest is 12.5 upon 100 raised to number of years is 3. Next step, you have to substitute the value of principal rupees 4000 which was given in bracket 1 plus 125 upon 1000 raised to 3. How 125 upon 1000 came here? Because of the number 12.5, you have one decimal place. After the decimal point, you have one digit. If you have one digit after the decimal point, you have to multiply on numerator and denominator. If you are multiplying 12.5 into 10, decimal point will shift after one digit and it becomes 125. If you are multiplying 100 tens are, it becomes 1000. So this is the reason. Amount is equal to 4000 in bracket. Now you have to cross multiply. 1000 ones are 1000 plus 125 ones are 125. Denominator 1000 write as it is. On numerator 1000 plus 125 you have to add. It becomes 1125. Denominator 1000 write as it is. So that is amount is equal to 4000 in bracket 1125 upon 1000 raised to 3. If you don't understand cross multiplication method, I have other method to solve. First I am writing amount is equal to 4000 in bracket 1 plus 125 upon 1000 raised to 3 as it is if I am solving other method. 125 table I wrote it on the right side. In bracket I have done the cancellation of the table 125. 125 ones are 125 eights are 1000. That is equal to 4000 in bracket 1 plus 1 upon 8 raised to 3. Next step, principal 4000 write as it is. In bracket you have to cross multiply this. If you are cross multiplying this, denominator 8 write as it is, and on numerator you have to cross multiply. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 ones are 1 upon 8. 8 plus 1 on numerator becomes 9. That is 9 upon 8 raised to 3. That is amount is equal to 4000 in bracket 9 upon 8 raised to 3. I got this step. Next step, you have to write multiplication form. But 9 upon 8 you have to write multiplication form 3 times because index is 3. That is equal to 4000 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. Now you have to do 8 table cancellation. 8 ones are 8, 500s are 4000. On numerator you have to write multiplication form, but on denominator you have to multiply this. 8 8s are 64. That is equal to 500 into 9 into 9 into 9 upon 64. First we will multiply 9 cube. 9 nines are 81. 81 into 9 I am multiplying. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. So 9 cube is 729. That is equal to 500 into 729 upon 64. Now I am multiplying 729 into 500 on numerator. Last two zeros which is there, that you have to write as it is. Now I will multiply 729 into 5. 5 nines are 45. 5 twos are 10. Plus 4, 14. 5 sevens are 35. Plus 1, 36. After multiplying 729 into 500, the answer is 3,64,500. That is equal to 3,64,500 upon 64. Now you have to divide the number 3,64,500 by 64. 64 pies are 320. You have to subtract the number 364 minus 320. The answer is 44. You have to bring one digit down. 5. 64 6 are is 384. Because 64 7s are is 448. 448 is greater than 445. If you are dividing, always last small number you have to take. So that's why you have to take 64 6 are. You have to subtract the number 445 minus 384. The answer is 61. Bring one digit down. 0. You have to take 64 nines are. Last small number is 576. So 64 nines are 576. Subtract the number 610 minus 576. The answer is 34. Bring one digit down. 0. 64 pies are 320. Subtract the number 340 minus 320. The answer is 20. Division still you have to continue. You are not getting remainder 0. You have to take decimal point 0 if you want to continue division. Decimal point you have to put in quotient place also. And then you have to bring one digit down. 64 threes is last small number. 64 threes are 192. Subtract the number 200 minus 192. Answer is 8. Take one more 0. 64 ones are 64. Subtract the number 80 minus 64. The answer is 16. Now we will stop the division. Division is still continuing. You are not getting the remainder 0. If you want to continue the division, you have to do the division up to 2 decimal places. If you are not getting remainder 0. I got the quotient of 2 decimal places. That is 5695.31. Of this number, after decimal point, there are 2 digits. So this is the meaning of the number up to 2 decimal places. After dividing 3,64,500 by 64, the answer is rupees 5,695.31. So this is the amount what you got the answer. 5,695.31 rupees. Now you have to find compound interest. The formula of compound interest is amount minus principal. That is amount is equal to 5,695.31 minus principal is 4,000. If you are subtracting these number, first number you have the decimal point. Second number you don't have the decimal point. If you don't have the second number decimal point, you have to take 0.00 if you want to subtract. That is 5,695.31 minus 4,000.00. You have to check this subtraction. I directly wrote the answer. Answer is 1,695.31. That is equal to rupees 1,695.31. And this is the compound interest. If you understood class 8th maths example sums on textbook page number 89 and 90, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.